My dear Nuer students, I want to speak to you today with honesty and love. Too many young people want money first. They run after quick money, thinking it will solve all their problems. But let me tell you this truth. Money without skill is like water in your hand. It disappears quickly. Do not chase money, chase knowledge, chase skill, because money does not create a skill, but the skill always bring money. If you learn a skill, whether it is teaching, medicine, ICT, mechanic, or business, that skill will feed you for life. That skill will bring opportunities to you, and money will find you naturally. But if you ignore the skill and run only after money, you will waste your time and you will remain empty-handed. So my message is simple. Learn first, work hard, grow your skill. Once you master a skill, money will show itself. Success will follow you and you will never regret it. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you wouldn't miss the video that I will be uploading. Thank you.